Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some dried noodles here. Actually, these are like instant noodle, but it's from Sabah, my wife's favorite. So I'm going to fry it today. I have some leftover char siu from my chicken rice this afternoon. I cut it into small pieces. Then I have some shallot. We are going to make some shallot oil later, saute it, and we're going to add in some egg and some veggie. You can use any veggie you like. This dish, two-step. First of all, we need to blanch the noodle, soften it, then fry. Then we prepare some boiling water. Here we're going to blanch the noodle very quickly. Don't blanch it for too long. I think about 2 minutes is good enough. You want it like, I would say 70% cooked, 70 to 80% cooked, because you still want to fry it later, yeah? Right, this is approximately 2 minutes. I think good enough. Yep, I can feel it is already softened. Not much resistance as I'm touching the noodles. And it has expanded a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to remove the noodles from the boiling water here, right? Or maybe the best is to put this inside a colander, yeah? All right, so set this aside for a while. These are the condiments I'm going to add into the noodles. Some oyster sauce, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia, Shopee Singapore, or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. Some premium light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and some sweetened dark soy sauce. Right, so let's get a wok. Give it a little bit of oil and heat it up. Right, once the oil is heated up, we can put in the shallot. A bit too hot. It was a bit too hot just now. Okay, you shouldn't make it too hot when you are using a non-stick wok. Then the coating will not last, yeah? Then I'm going to add in the char siu. Fry a bit. Just trying to get back some of the nice flavor from the char siu itself. Put in the veggie. With a bit of light soy sauce here. Push it to the side. See, I burned the bottom just now. Not careful enough. Put in the egg. You don't want to burn the bottom of your stainless steel, non-stick wok, because it will start sticking. I wasn't careful enough just now. I was checking message. Bad habit. Turn down the fire a bit. Add in the noodles. And let's give it some seasoning here. I'm going to start by giving it some premium light soy sauce. A bit of oyster sauce. I'm not giving it very strong flavor here because I got char siu. Char siu has already very strong flavor. Some dark soy sauce for the color. Some dark soy this is sweetened dark soy sauce. Some fine salt. Some my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Now I'm going to raise the heat. If you think it's too dry, feel free to add in some of the water you used to blanch your noodle just now, yeah? Okay, turn it up to medium high. Almost done. Fried noodles is very, very easy. Right before serving, I'm going to give you some fried shallot and shallot oil. And few dashes of white pepper. Done. Right, ready to be served. Right, so here's my very simple stir fry. This is stir fry instant noodle today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.